What we're looking at the moment is linear sketch patterns. We're going to look at putting items into this box in straight lines and repeating drawings. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a centre line. I'm going to just go off centre a little bit here and draw in a centre line from where I want to draw my first element. I'm going to use a circle. I'm going to draw it and say that it is, which will make it a diameter of 20. Okay, so it's only small, as you can see there. Once we're happy with that, we then go into linear sketch patterns. We click on this, it will say x-axis, this is the x-axis, and the y-axis. Okay, we can change the direction. So what we're going to say first is we want 6 of them going in the x-axis, and it's going to be that we're working on. We're now going to make sure that they are spaced correctly. So from centre to centre, we're going to say that they are centre to centre, they are 80 millimeters apart. Let's see, right out to the edge. So we can set this up. If we actually go back into, okay, if we go back into linear sketch patterns, we can set them. Let's say 6 of them, and we collect what we want to do, and then we make sure we space them out correctly. So 80 millimeters apart. We can then add a secondary axis in. So we can say that we also want them to go not only in the x-axis, but we want them to go into the y-axis. If we had another, let's say 3, we can actually get them to go in the y-axis as well, and then we can increase this, and we can create a linear pattern throughout. Once we're happy with that, we can extrude that into a plate with multiple holes in. So if we're going to repeat the pattern that we want to do, we can draw any pattern. It doesn't have to be a circle, but we can repeat it over and over again in the spaces that we want.